Okay, Bill P here from BP3 TV. So what's next? What's next is this. Can you read it? I don't know if it's backwards. Is it backwards? Doan from here in Norwich at U-Break iFix. They're affiliated with Assyrian, and they fix cell phones, is what you probably heard of them. U-Break iFix. It's right behind me. I don't know if you can see this store. It's next to T-Mobile. But I want to tell you something about these guys. First of all, this store, top notch, all right? AJ and Doan work here. I came up here after I brought a new phone to get a liquid screen put on it. It gives you a protection program. It's called Cell Helmet, all this kind of stuff. Ask me questions, I'll tell you more about it. Or go see these guys up here in Norwich at U-Break iFix. They're not paying me for anything. They didn't knock anything off because of this video, so it's just me spreading some good love. I've been using U-Break iFix for about 6 or 7 years now. Most of the time it's putting a liquid screen on my phone, and then if my phone breaks within 12 months, depending on the coverage of liquid screen that I purchased, they fix it for free. It's helped me out greatly. I've had my Samsung Galaxy phones fixed over and over and over for free. Keep putting the liquid screen on, fix for free, fix for free, fix for free. Some damage was done in the back over time from it being open and closed. The company stands by it because they're the ones that fix it, and they replace all the stuff on the inside. They have fixed my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, this little guy right here, which I love. Right now it's like brand new again. It's got the liquid screen on it. It's got some fingerprints on it, but it's got the liquid screen on it. It's awesome, and it's going to be a killer backup phone as well as a backup device in my airplane while I'm flying. I also signed up for their at-home service plus plan for 25 bucks a month. Check this out. It covers all electronic devices in my house. If you have a TV that's broken, they'll fix it or replace it, or give you a buyout. If you have remote controls from PlayStation games, game systems, or any systems for that matter. If you have game systems that no longer work, they get too slow, too buggy, or just don't work because they're too old. If you have computers, if you have iPads, all this kind of stuff, up to $5,000 worth of merchandise per year will be fixed or replaced or given you a buyout. You can cancel any time that you want. It's a great way if you have a bunch of stuff laying around your house that is no longer useful to you because it's old, outdated, and doesn't work properly. Me, for example, 2 televisions, 1 computer, 1 Surface Pro, 1 iPad, and a bag full of controllers just off the top of my head. All are eligible after 31 days to be brought in, diagnosed, and either repaired, replaced, or given a buyout. Right? Not a bad deal. Can cancel that at any time. My telephone is covered through Verizon under Assyrian too, and that's a little different. It's 17 bucks a day. It has nothing to do with these guys. I got that through Verizon itself. But I can't say enough about this store, guys. U-Break iFix is a great company. It used to be like a big corporation, and now they are like individually owned franchises. Here in Norwich, the guys are awesome. All right, they're fair. They're not looking to get over on you or anything like that. They're just looking to provide a good service. They do a good job. They care about what they do, and they care about the people. So big shout outs to AJ and Doan in Norwich, Connecticut at U-Break iFix, located right across the street from Staples and Burger King on, what's this, Route 85. Old stomping grounds from growing up. This place used to be a couple trees and stuff. If you want any more information on it, just call them or go up there. You can also ask me any kind of questions in the comments, and I will elaborate on more. But I know a good thing when I see it. I get around. I've been through the ringer. U-Break iFix, Norwich, Connecticut, Doan and AJ. For your repairs, your phones, for your tablets, for your controllers, for all your electronic needs, this is the place to go to. Cheers. Have a great day. Love you all. Bill P from BP3 TV.